Hello guys, this is Roteja. Today is day 20 class. Yesterday we have seen some of the topics related to S3. What is S3? Why most popular S3 in AWS? What are the storage classes in S3? What are the features of S3? These are the things we have seen in yesterday's class, right? For today, some of the topics in S3. We will cover all of the topics in this video. Make sure that you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. Okay, here you can clearly understand. Simple storage service versioning is there. Versioning we have completed in yesterday's class. Today we are going to deal with static web hosting, classes and tiles, cross-region replication, and then transfer acceleration. In encryption we have two modes, and then uh, ACL access control list, lifecycle management, bucket policies, and multi-part upload. These are the things we are going to understand for today's class, right? Okay. Coming to static web hosting. Uh, Without database, we are going to host the website. How we can do that? We should have a HTML code. By using that HTML code, without database, we are going to host the website. Okay. Let me show you how it is, how it works. Okay, click on S3. First, we have to create a bucket. Click on general purpose buckets. Click on create bucket. Bucket name is AWS DevOps. Okay, and then just come down. Versioning should be enabled. The bucket has been created, right? This is our bucket. Click on this. Okay, there are no files and folders in this bucket. Now what I supposed to do is I have a HTML code in my files. I am going to upload that file into the S3 bucket. Okay, upload, add files. This is my HTML. Open this. Click on upload the file. Okay, or else you have any HTML page, you can directly upload into the S3 bucket. There is no problem at all. Click on close. Okay, I have uploaded. Come to properties. And just come down. Static web hosting. Click on this edit. Here, disabled. You have to enable this. Then just come down. DevOps.html. Click on save changes. Okay. Click on buckets. Click on this bucket. Select this and then just open it. Okay. In that HTML code, it is going to be opened. Next, we are going to deal with classes and types. Just come over here. Here you can clearly observe that multiple S3 storage classes or performance across the S3 storage classes. Okay, here you can clearly observe that these are the storage classes we have designed for durability, intelligent tiering. This is what it is telling, right? 30 days we have to, is the minimum, and in standard AI it is also 30 days minimum. And then S3 on AI, it is also minimum 30 days. And then come to S3 Glacier, it should be 90 days. And then S3 departure, should be having 180 days, right? This is nothing but classes and types in S3. Okay, now we are going to deal with cross-region replication. What is meant by cross-region replication and why we are going to understand. Okay, here suppose I am in Virginia region. Okay, there is another region, suppose which is California, which is in Virginia. Here I have created a S3 bucket. In S3 bucket, I have stored some files. Okay, here, what is the cross-region replication is nothing but, okay, here there is a versioning that should be enabled. Whenever the versioning should be enabled, then only it is possible to go Virginia region. What are the files we have stored? That files will be going to California as well. Whenever the versioning is enabled, then only it is possible to replicate what are the files in Virginia to California as well. Okay, click on history bucket. Which region I am in? Okay, California region I am. Okay, in this, okay, I am going with Singapore first. Click on Singapore. Here we have to create one bucket, whatever the name we have. Click on buckets, sorry, general purpose buckets. Okay, create bucket. Bucket name is Singapore to California. Just come down, should be enabled, and then just come down. Click on create bucket. This is our bucket, right? Now what I supposed to do is I am going with California because I have created California only. This California, I have to upload some of the files and folders in this. Okay, okay, it is displaying what bucket I have created in Singapore. It is also displaying in California as well, right? Okay, this is our bucket. Click on this, upload, add files or folders, whatever you want, you can upload directly. Click on this and then just open this. Open, then just come down. Click on upload. And then just close this. Okay, it takes 3 to 4 minutes to replicate in Singapore as well. Okay, okay, we will check transfer acceleration. What is meant by transfer acceleration and why it is? Transfer acceleration is nothing but, suppose you are in Mumbai, the files and folders, the data is going to be sent to California. Suppose you are going to send without transfer acceleration, it takes 20 days, 10 days, 5 days, like that, depending upon the file sizes for this. Whenever you are going to enable, I will show you, this is our bucket, right? You are enable transfer acceleration. whenever you are transferring the data from Mumbai to California or one place to another place, then the speed is very increased. Means 5 to 500% it is going to be increased, right? Okay, where it is, we are going to understand. Okay, are you able to see transfer acceleration? Click on it, edit. Whenever this is enabled, save changes, then you will be transfer the data easily and very fast. Then next, encryption. Why we need encryption means, suppose the data is going to be transferred one place to another place. There are some of the attackers. The attackers are trying to attack or steal our data, right? Without encryption, they can easily uh, steal our data. Okay, whenever you are enabling, there are the two types of encryptions we have: KMS and SSE-S3. Okay, now let me show you what is KMS. Key management service. Okay, securely generated and managed AWS encryption keys. Click on this. Suppose how it is going to be display is, suppose I am taking DevOps. This data I want to transfer from one place to another place, right? Whenever you are enabling the encryption, it is showing like, even the attacker trying to steal our data, he is only able to see this data only. Instead of DevOps, he is able to see this data. Okay, whenever we are enabling the encryption, it is showing like this. Most of the companies are, the data should be secret, right? So that's why they are enabling the encryption as well. So come here. AWS manage, we have two types of keys: AWS manager and customer manager. The customer manager means we have to manage the keys and everything. AWS manager keys, everything we manage by the AWS. We have to use them. Okay, I'm going with customer managed, and then just create key and just come down, click on next, KMS, and then just come down, click on next, and then just come down, click on next, click on next, click on finish. Okay, we have created the KMS key, right? So this is the way we have to enable encryption, and also make sure that, come here, default encryption, edit this, click on this. Okay, this key I have created, right? Click on this and then just come down. Okay, for this bucket I am going to give encryption, right? Save changes. So whenever the attacker is trying to steal our data, the encrypted data he will be able to see, right? He won't be able to see actual data what we have stored in S3 bucket. Okay, in replication we have to enable one thing, which is replication rules. Create replication rule and just come down. Choose the destination bucket, which is our destination. Choose path, and just come down. Create a new IAM role, then just come down. Click on save. In cross-region replication, we have to create replication rule as well. Okay, I have not created before. Now I have created. Okay, yes, replace it. Click on submit. Browse this. Choose path. Then just come down. Create. Click on save. Okay. Okay, I am going to Singapore region. Click on Singapore. The data is replicated in Singapore as or not. Click on general purpose buckets. This is our bucket, right? Click on this. Okay, have you got this? Whenever we are enabling replication rule, whenever we have created the replication in original database, which is California, then only it is possible to replicate in another region. Okay, this is nothing but cross-region replication, and we have the same data in California as well. Okay, the data won't be lost in California. Click on California. Click on this. This is our bucket, right? So click on this. Here you can observe in California region, our data is there, and Singapore also we have the data. The data has replicated from one region to another region. This is nothing but cross-region replication. And also we have done transfer acceleration, encryption also we have done, right? Now access control list. What is meant by access control list? We have seen NACL, which is network access control list, which is comes under the VPC. It provides the security for subnet layer, right? Coming to access control list, it is also like encryption part means secure the data. Okay, how it is going to be secure, and we are going to observe. I am in California. Okay, properties. Okay, click on buckets. Click on this. Now I want this PDF. I want to spread this PDF to some other persons. Click on this. Okay, here I am going to copy this object without accessing ACL, without editing any ACLs. I want to see whether the data is going to be accessed or not. Okay, in mobile I enter. Okay, what is it showing is access denied. Okay, how can you get it? Okay, here there is a access control list. Okay, before that, click on buckets. Click on this bucket. Okay, permissions. Okay, Permissions. Okay, block public access. Edit this, uncheck this, then just come down, save changes. Yes, confirm it, enter. And the next part is ACL ownership. This is also should be edit. Click on this. ACLs disabled. Click on enable and I acknowledge. Just come down, click on save changes. Okay, and then access control list. Previously, it is going to be denial. Uh, let's come here. Public access everyone. Click on list and read. Okay, authentication list and read. I understood. Click on save changes. Now you can clearly observe. Click on buckets. Click on this bucket. Click on this. Then just copy. Copy this. Whether I am able to download the PDF or not. Okay. Okay. The PDF has been downloaded. Here you can clearly observe in previous without. So what I am trying to say is ACL's access control list is also a secure providing the security. Whenever we are enabling, whenever we are uncheck the bucket policies, then only we will be able to download the files from the internet. Otherwise, it won't be allowed. Now, lifecycle management is nothing but similarly like this. What like standard frequent infrequent one zone AI and then glacier departure. This is the life cycle management. Whenever we are storing the data 30 days it should be storing infrequent. After 30 days it is going to share one zone AI and then glacier departure. These are the life cycle management, the files. Okay, come to bucket policies. Before that we have to understand multi-part upload. Okay, in S3 it is supposed to share or upload the data only 5 GB, up to 5 GB. Okay, suppose you if you have, let me open paint. I'm talking about multi-part upload. Suppose you have a file with 20 GB. Okay, 20 GB file you are having. uh, it is supposed to upload only 5 GB. It is the limit is only 5 GB. Okay, you are trying to upload 20 GB file at a time. It is going to four parts. 5 GB, which is 5 GB. This is also 5 GB, and this is also 5 GB. Okay, this is the way it is going to be uploaded. First, this is going to be uploaded, and then this. Okay, that 20 GB file is going to be divided in four parts. Okay, because it is going to upload at a time only 5 GB. It is not going to upload at a time 20 GB, 30 GB, 10 GB as well. Okay, this is nothing but multi-part upload. Now we are going to deal with bucket policies. What is meant by bucket policies? Okay, these are the things I have to understand. Policy is nothing but permissions. Okay, in IIM we have seen how to create users, how to assign users to permissions, how to add users to the group. These are the things we have seen, right? Now what I supposed to do is I am in California, which is my bucket. Click on buckets. This is our bucket. Click on this. Okay, properties. Bucket policy. Are you able to use bucket policy? Edit this. Okay, you can also attach policies directly here, or otherwise you can also apply, or you can also attach policies IIM as well. Now I am going with the IIM. Open this. Okay, click on policies, create policy, click on JSON, click on S3. For S3 I want to give permissions. Click on S3. Okay, list access point, list access grants, then just come down bucket versioning, multi-part upload, this one, and then just come down bucket ACL, access data, and the last one is delete bucket. Okay, add. Okay, now what I supposed to do is, in place of resource we have to give ARN. Whenever you are created the bucket, the AWS will be generated an ARN, which is this. Okay, this is our bucket ARN. Copy this, come to IAM. Okay, and then click on next. Policy name is nothing but S3 sum axis. Then just come down, click on create policy. Okay, here you can customer manage. Okay, S3 sum axis, this is our created. Okay, this is the way we are going to create, and how you can attach this policy to the users. Whenever you have some users, right? Whenever you have a user, you are attaching that user this policy, then he is having only some access on the same bucket, which bucket we have created. On that bucket the user is having some access, right? Okay, this is the process we have, and we have done everything from here, right? We don't have remaining. Okay, for tomorrow we are going to understand the Route 53, and we are also doing a project which is serverless architecture. Okay, if you have any queries in this content, please comment below. I will definitely give a reply to you. Now come to how to delete them. First we have to delete this key, KMS, actions, disable first, disable, click on this. Okay, it takes some time. Now click on California, click on buckets. This is our bucket. Click on this, click on empty, click on empty. Okay, click on this, delete. The bucket name is delete bucket. Okay, this is the process we have. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.